In today's fast-paced world, where social media filters and unrealistic beauty standards dominate our screens, it's easy for anyone to feel a little overwhelmed when it comes to looking great. As gay men, we often encounter additional pressures, as society places an emphasis on physical appearance within the LGBTQ+ community. But fear not. This video is here to provide practical tips and fresh perspectives on how you can enhance your overall appearance while boosting your self-confidence. One of the fundamental pillars of looking great is taking care of your health. Regular exercise not only helps you maintain a fit physique but also releases endorphins that contribute to mental well-being. Whether it's hitting the gym or finding joy in outdoor activities like hiking or cycling, finding an exercise routine that suits you will make a world of difference. Additionally, adopting healthy eating habits by incorporating nutritious foods into your diet will nourish both body and mind. Self-care routines are another essential aspect of looking and feeling great as a gay man. Engaging in practices like meditation or yoga can help reduce stress levels and promote mindfulness, a key ingredient for cultivating confidence in all areas of life. Dedicate time each day to focus on yourself, whether through skincare rituals or simply unplugging from technology, and watch how these small acts have big impacts on your overall well-being. Conquering the path towards improving appearance starts with maintaining good mental health too. Seeking support from trusted friends or professionals if needed ensures that internal struggles don't hinder progress toward becoming the best version of yourself physically and emotionally. So buckle up, because this video is about more than just surface-level changes. It's about embracing who you truly are while equipping you with actionable steps towards enhancing every facet of your being as a gay man. Let's dive into reliable grooming practices, fashionable style choices, exciting trends worth exploring, all designed to boost confidence levels and help bring out the very best version of you. You deserve nothing less than greatness. Let's get started. Taking care of your skin is crucial for maintaining a polished appearance. Start by understanding your skin type to choose products that suit you best. For oily or acne-prone skin, opt for oil-free cleansers and toners containing salicylic acid. Dry skin types can benefit from hydrating cleansers and moisturizers with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides. No matter your skin type, incorporating a daily moisturizer into your routine is essential to keep your skin hydrated and prevent signs of aging. Exfoliation helps remove dead cells and unclogged pores, giving you smoother-looking skin. Choose a gentle exfoliant suitable for your face and use it 2 to 3 times per week. Be mindful not to over-exfoliate, as this can cause irritation or dryness. The importance of wearing sunscreen cannot be stressed enough. Protecting yourself from harmful UV rays should be part of everyone's skincare routine, gay men included. Opt for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher that protects against both UVA and UVB rays. Apply it liberally on all exposed areas before heading out, even on cloudy days. Your hairstyle plays a significant role in enhancing your overall appearance as a gay man. Different hairstyles suit different face shapes and hair textures, so consult with an experienced hairstylist who can guide you in choosing the right cut that flatters you best. Choosing the right hairstyle cut may involve factors such as maintenance level, personal style preference, and occasion versatility. Additionally, investing in quality shampoo and conditioner specifically formulated for your hair type will help maintain its healthiness while ensuring it looks fantastic every day. Facial grooming techniques are equally important aspects of being well groomed as a gay man. Whether you rock clean-shaven smoothness or flaunt a fashionable beard. For those who prefer a clean shave, choose quality shaving products and techniques that prioritize both comfort and achieving a close shave. Alternatively, if you decide to embrace facial hair with pride, ensure proper maintenance by trimming regularly and using beard oils or balms to keep it soft, healthy-looking, and smelling great. Proper oral hygiene is another essential part of being well-groomed as a gay man. Take care of your pearly whites by brushing at least twice daily for 2 minutes each time. Don't forget to floss daily, since it helps remove plaque from areas your toothbrush may not reach. Regular dental checkups are necessary for maintaining optimal oral health and ensuring that your smile shines confidently bright wherever you go. Looking great as a gay man isn't just about grooming but also entails taking care of yourself holistically, inside and out. Incorporate these skincare routines, hair care tips tailored to your hair type, proper facial grooming techniques, and maintaining excellent oral hygiene into your everyday routine to project confidence in all aspects of life. Remember, self-care is an investment in yourself because when you look good, you feel good. Understanding body shape type is key to dressing well and flatteringly. Every body shape has its own unique features, and it's important to know how to highlight your best assets. Whether you have an athletic build, a more slender figure, or carry weight in certain areas, there are clothing styles that can accentuate your positive qualities. For example, if you have wider shoulders and narrower hips, consider wearing fitted shirts paired with trousers that create balance through subtle tailoring. Choosing clothing styles that flatter you goes beyond simply following trends. It's about finding pieces that complement your individuality. Experimenting with colors and patterns can add dimension to your outfits while showcasing personal style. Additionally, investing in wardrobe essentials is crucial for any fashionable man. Tailored suits for formal occasions, well-fitted jeans for everyday wear, and versatile jackets or blazers are must-haves. Staying up to date with fashion trends allows you to keep your style fresh without sacrificing authenticity. Rather than blindly following every trend that emerges on the runway or social media feeds, selectively incorporate elements that resonate with your aesthetic preferences and personality into your own style repertoire. Fashion should be seen as an art form and a means of self-expression. Accessorizing can play a significant role in enhancing outfits by adding touches of personality or creating focal points within an ensemble. From statement watches and classic belts to stylish scarves or hats, accessories provide endless opportunities for experimentation while elevating even the simplest of looks. Remember, confidence is the ultimate accessory when it comes to looking great as a gay man. So strut proudly in clothes that make you feel comfortable and empowered, because feeling good from within will always shine through outwardly too. Confidence is key when it comes to looking great as a gay man. It's not just about the clothes you wear or how you style your hair. Confidence starts from within. One of the best ways to build self-confidence is by embracing authenticity. Society often puts pressure on us to conform and fit into certain molds, but true confidence comes from being comfortable in our own skin. It's important to remember that there is no one way to be gay or look gay. Embrace your individuality and let it shine through in every aspect of your life, including your appearance. Experiment with different styles and trends until you find what truly makes you feel like yourself. Positive affirmations are another powerful tool for building self-confidence. Take some time each day to speak kind words to yourself and reinforce positive beliefs about who you are as a person. Remind yourself of your strengths, talents, and unique qualities that make you special. Practicing good posture and body language can also greatly influence how confident others perceive us. Stand tall, shoulders back, head held high. This simple act can instantly boost your confidence levels and make others see you as more confident too. Developing effective communication skills is crucial for creating meaningful connections with others while feeling confident in social situations. Practice active listening techniques such as maintaining eye contact, nodding along during conversations, and asking thoughtful questions that show genuine interest in what others have to say. By focusing on building inner strength through authenticity, positive affirmations, good posture, body language practices, and effective communication skills, you'll radiate confidence both inside and out. The world will see the amazing gay man that you truly are. Taking care of your mental health is essential for overall well-being and boosting your confidence as a gay man. In a world that still struggles with acceptance, it's important to seek support in building resilience against negativity or discrimination. Surrounding yourself with friends who uplift you, being part of supportive communities, and engaging with therapists and counselors can make a significant difference. Friends play a crucial role in our lives, especially when it comes to mental health. Seek out those who accept and embrace you for who you are, individuals who provide emotional support without judgment. Having this kind of strong support system can help counteract any negative comments or discrimination you may face from others. Community involvement is another vital aspect of maintaining good mental health. Engaging with LGBTQ+ organizations or events can connect you with like-minded individuals facing similar challenges. These spaces offer opportunities for sharing experiences, finding solidarity, and receiving advice on how to navigate difficult situations. Additionally, therapy or counseling must never be underestimated when it comes to enhancing your self-confidence as a gay man. Speaking openly about the challenges you face in an unbiased environment allows for personal growth and development towards true self-acceptance. Ultimately, prioritizing your mental health through the right support networks helps build resilience against negativity while promoting confidence by providing tools to cope effectively. Building a strong support system is essential for every gay man's journey towards success and self-confidence. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift, affirm, and celebrate your identity. Seek out friends and loved ones who genuinely accept you for who you are, and reciprocate that same love and acceptance in return. Fostering healthy relationships means investing time and effort into nurturing connections that bring positivity into your life. Whether it's friendships or romantic partnerships, communication is key. Share your feelings, thoughts, fears, and dreams openly with those closest to you. And don't forget to actively listen when they share their experiences as well. However, striking a balance between independence and interdependence is equally crucial. While being part of a community can provide a sense of belongingness and comfort, remember the importance of cultivating your individuality too. Take time for yourself. Pursue hobbies or activities that make you happy outside of the influence or expectations of others. Remember that nurturing relationships can also mean letting go of toxic individuals who drain your energy or bring negativity into your life. Surrounding yourself with positive influences will not only enrich your emotional well-being but also contribute to enhancing both inner confidence and outer appearance. Developing authentic connections helps foster growth while ensuring sustained happiness throughout various aspects of life as a gay man. One of the most empowering aspects of being a gay man is the ability to express oneself freely and authentically. It is crucial to celebrate our individuality and embrace the diversity that exists within the LGBT community. Each person possesses their own unique qualities, preferences, talents, and style, which should never be stifled or suppressed. Acceptance starts from within. It begins with embracing who we are without judgment or comparison. Recognize that your journey as a gay man is yours alone, and it doesn't have to conform to societal expectations or stereotypes. Take pride in your identity and let it shine through every aspect of your life. Whether it's in your fashion choices, hobbies, career pursuits, or relationships. Moreover, as members of a diverse community ourselves, let us extend acceptance and support towards one another. We must recognize that there isn't just one way to be a gay man. Rather, there are countless possibilities for self-expression. By celebrating each other's differences instead of tearing each other down with negativity or prejudice within our own community, we create an environment where all individuals can thrive authentically. Embracing diversity also means acknowledging intersectionality. Recognizing that being gay intersects with various identities such as race, ethnicity, class, disability, etc., resulting in multiple layers of experiences and challenges faced by different individuals. Let us strive for inclusion by amplifying marginalized voices within the LGBTQ+ spectrum while promoting dialogue among diverse groups. Celebrate who you are as a gay man while embracing the beautiful tapestry created by differing stories shared within our vibrant LGBT community. Together we stand stronger when accepting each other's uniqueness rather than trying to fit into preconceived notions about what it means to be gay enough. Remember that true acceptance starts from within yourself before radiating outwards towards others around you.